In this video, I will show you how to add a Visa gift card to Uber Eats. So in order to do that, you need to head over to your account, and then from in there, you should be able to see your account, right? So from in there, just go to your wallet. Now for this one, you just need to add a Visa gift card to your Uber Cash. Click on your Uber Cash right here. Click on this add funds option and then just add in here the payment method. So if you have your Google or your actual Visa gift card, you can head over and add in here the card number of that. So as usual, you can buy those on the Visa Vanilla gift, wherein you can purchase your gift card depending on which you would like it to be customized. It can be customized for the occasion. You can add any picture, anything that you want, and it should be able to be added to your Uber Cash. So that's all there is to know about this topic, and I hope this video helped.